Okay, so Clara and I are going away on a girls' trip together to Chicago, and I'm going to test out and review the new backpack from Tortuga, the Setout Backpack. It is perfect for travelers going to a city destination because it is the maximum size for carry-on, so you don't have to check in your luggage. And it sits on your back like a backpack, so you don't have to drag your suitcase around busy and hectic and crumbly city streets. And there's a lot of room and stuff in it. So I generally travel with a suitcase, but I'm excited to be getting away just for the weekend. So this backpack is going to be ideal. And I don't have to do carry-on. Now, I don't usually ever travel carry-on only. And I always wondered, how did everyone manage to make it work? Until I came to the US, because in Australia carry-on luggage is weighed and it can only be 7 kilos, and my laptop used to weigh almost that amount. So I was like, how are all these people traveling with carry-on only? But now I know the secret, because in the US they don't weigh your carry-on bags. It's just got to be a certain size, which the Tortuga backpack is. So I'm going to check it out, test it and review it in this video. So as you can see, there's a lot of room in here. Clara and I are both going to try and just get away with using this one. You've got zipper pockets, which is cool. And then what I'm most excited about is in the front here, you can fit your phone and your laptop and all of that stuff. So I think I may even be able to travel with just one bag. Woo! Depends how much camera gear we take. What do you think?
It's good.
Do you like it so far?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can pack it, eh? So that is the Setout Backpacker from Tortuga. As you can see, I really love it. I loved traveling with it. City travel, weekend getaways. I think for summer travel too, it would be brilliant. You could go on long-term travel if you're traveling through warmer climates, because you're not going to have to pack so many clothes and heavy clothes and shoes. And I love it for our road trips now, because it takes so much less room in our car, and it's easy to just fling on my back and walk into the hotel rather than lugging out that suitcase and rolling it around everywhere. And I love the two different pockets, the one in the front, which I did know, where you can put all your little bits and things, and the one in the back, which I only just discovered, where you can put your laptop and a few other things, a bit more space in the back. So that was some really cool features. So yeah, I love it. It's sturdy, it's comfortable. You can get on the plane with it and don't have to worry about picking up your luggage from the the luggage carousel, which always takes forever. So I highly recommend it. Double thumbs up from us at the Wide Travel headquarters. Let me know in the comments below, what do you love about a backpack? Have you tried the Tortuga Day Pack, the Setout Backpack before? What do you love about it? What do you hate? Thanks for joining me. Too easy. So much easier than lugging around the suitcase. Let's go. So I enjoyed using my backpack in Chicago that much that I've actually brought it with us on a road trip. My suitcase can tend to take up a lot of space in the car, and we're coming away for 3 days, so I thought perfect. And I'm actually really loving it. So I just wanted to pop in and say that not only is it good for city travel when you're catching a plane, but it's also great for road trips. It's going to take up less space in your car, and I can fit everything I need in here, and I don't need to bring another day pack for my laptop stuff. It's not in here at the moment, but I had it in there in the car. So I'm really liking it. Double thumbs up. Go get yourself one, it's really cool. So I'm loving this so much that I'm taking it away on another road trip. It's great for road trips. And look what I discovered in the back. I only just discovered this the other day. There's a section in there to put your laptop. And so it's a bit more sturdier, a bit solid back in there, a bit more space. And then in front you've got, then you'll have more room. You can maybe slip an iPad in there, pencils, books, passport, whatever you want. So I'm pretty stoked with that discovery, and I'm happy that now I'm going road tripping with this and it's not taking up much space. Oh, but we don't sit on it because Mummy's got a laptop in there.